Clock systems of MSP 430. Clock system provides clock signals for operating the various peripherals in the system. That means CPU, additional peripherals like analog to digital converter, real-time clocks, comparators, like that. So MSP 430 clock system contains uh, three clock systems. One is master clock, subsystem master clock, auxiliary clock. So this auxiliary clock signal is generated by using very low frequency oscillator and low frequency oscillator. First, very low frequency oscillator which generates the low frequency signals around 12 kilohertz signal. It is an internal RC oscillator, so no need of external components. Then it saves the cost and the space required for placing the external crystals, and also it reduces the power consumption by generating low frequency signals. Once it will generate the signal 12 kilohertz signal that is giving to the divider based on our desired clock frequency. That means device operating frequency. Suppose if the device operating frequency is 12 kilohertz, at that time VLO generates the 12 kilohertz signal that is divided by 1, then that is giving to the corresponding device by using this auxiliary clock. If the desired device operating frequency is 6 kilohertz, at that time VLO generate the 12 kilohertz signal that is divided by 2. That means 12 by 2 12 kilohertz by 2. That means 6 kilohertz output signal. That 6 kilohertz clock signal is giving to the desired device. Similarly, 3 kilohertz signal. Similarly, 1.5 kilohertz signal. Like that, based on the device operating speed, VLO generate the 12 kilohertz signal that is giving to the divider and generate the desired clock frequency. That is low speed applications mainly. It is mainly designed for operating the low speed applications. That means up to 12 kilohertz signal speed. If the device speed is more than 12 kilohertz, at that time we can use low frequency oscillator. Low frequency oscillator generate the clock signals from 32 kilohertz to few megahertz. Then that is giving to the low frequency oscillator selector. Then that is divisible by this 1 or 2 or 4 or 8 based upon the desired device operating speed. If the desired device operating speed is 32 kilohertz, so low frequency oscillator generates the 32 kilohertz signal that is divided by 1. If it is 16 kilohertz, that is divided by 2. If it is 8 kilohertz, divided by 4. It is 4 kilohertz divisible by 8. Similarly, remaining clock frequencies. Like that, low frequency oscillator generate the clock signals from 32 kilohertz to few megahertz, approximately 1 megahertz or 2 megahertz, that is giving to the selector. Then that is giving divisible by the dividers based on the desired device operating clock frequency. Then that is giving to the corresponding device. Like that, auxiliary clock generate the low frequency signals for operating the low speed applications. Next, some of the devices contains the second crystal oscillator, XT2, second crystal oscillator. So which is mainly designed for high speed applications, approximately up to 16 megahertz. So So which generate the 16 MHz clock frequency that is giving to the selector. Next, SCLS means source select. We can select the source from either DCO or second crystal oscillator like that. Here also the source is VLO or low frequency oscillator like that. So second crystal oscillator generate the 16 MHz clock frequency that is giving to the selector, then that is giving to the divisor to get the desired clock frequency, then that is giving to the high speed operating devices, that is megahertz, either 16 megahertz or 8 megahertz or 4 megahertz or 2 megahertz like that. So based on the high speed device operating clock frequency that will be generated by using second crystal oscillator. Next, DCO. DCO means digitally controlled oscillator, which is a high accurate system oscillator which generate the exact clock frequencies for high speed applications and CPU, CPU and some specific peripherals. Then that generate the clock frequency based on the CPU clock frequency that is approximately 25 megahertz that is giving to the select master select master, then that is divisible by the divisor based on the desired CPU frequencies, then that is giving to the CPU. Like that, MSP 430 system clock systems provide these three clock systems. Auxiliary clock system for generating the low frequency signals up to 12 kHz. Subsystem master clock generating the clock frequencies of 32 kHz to 1 megahertz. Master clock which generate the clock frequencies of um, up to 25 kilohertz, 25 megahertz. This clock system will be controlled by using the control register. So if you want to stop the master clock, at that time we are giving 1 to the CPU off bit in the control register, status register of the control of the clock module. If you want to stop the VLO, we can give oscillator of 1. Similarly, if you want to stop the DCO, we can give 1 to the SEG 0. If you want to stop the subsystem master clock, we can give 1 to the system clock generator 1. Like that, we can control the clock signals in the MSP 430 clock system.